kind of fussy. I mean, she. All right. Don't bite me or anything, but. Come on out. Welcome home. You've got so much room to play in. Buddy. Yeah. Look how big it is in here. It's so big. No other animals have been here.
Well, one animal.
Oh, sweetheart.
What's her name?
Well, it says Tiger King, but she's a girl, so Tiger Queen, but I'm thinking about changing it. She had a sister in there that I didn't want to separate them. But another girl was behind me and she got the black kitty. Oh, you're so cute and tiny.
I say we name her Tucker. After Tucker Carlson. Because she's the truth.
But I am going to get her a bow tie, like a white one.
A bow tie?
Yeah. You said Tucker. I don't know yet.
I don't know. I think we should name her a strong Ukrainian name
Yeah,
since she's your
that's what I was
kid,
thinking.
like Mishka.
Yeah. Well, Mishka means mouse, like little mouse. That would be cute for this. Hi, honey. Oh.
All right. Pick her up, hold her, and let me end this video so I can go get the cat litter and cat food.
Okay. Oh. Look. Oh. She's purring. She's purring. Oh, baby, you're purring. Oh my goodness. Oh, we were doing this inside earlier, and you. Oh.
Hey, chick, stay out of my room.
I need you to. Well, she's not.
All right.
Is it okay?
Say bye.